7 segments using surface mount LEDs on 0.1 millimeter spaced ferro board. You know, the normal stuff. Oops. This would be a long, boring video. Some music would probably be a good idea. So what I do is I put down a blob solder and get one end of the part in it. Now these I'm trying to keep straighter than I would normally bother with because it'll be a display. But once one end is anchored, then take and solder in the other side. Bloop. I may have made a bad choice in my order of soldering these, but normally you wouldn't have them so tight. In this case, keeping them flat is a little bit of a desire to. Yeah, that'll work. There's going to be jumpers in here, but I'm going to put them on the back. Okay, so this is my F and E segment. I'm going to put the A segment in next. And I got to make sure my polarity's here. So often when I'm making circuit boards, I'll stick surface mount resistors in, because it's pretty easy to just substitute that, and resistors are pretty easy to just solder in. This is a bit of a goofy choice with doing a surface mount soldering demo with LEDs. Is that straight? I guess it's straight enough. This is just a soldering demo. I'm going to actually put, let me see here, I'm going to put a bunch of digits on here. Oops. Okay, that doesn't help. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, I guess. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for. I'm just choosing it as a goofy soldering demo. Resistors are a little easier to solder too, because you don't have to worry about overheating them. Normally between 0.1 inch pads, I would use 0805 resistors. These LEDs are 0603, because when you're crowding a pad with multiple, they work a little better. And this is severe pad crowding. So what I'm doing is, it's not cooperating. I'm on camera, that's good. It isn't shuffled off on me. I should have a bigger blob of solder. I'm not going to worry about that though. I'm going to make sure I stay in camera. That'd be great. Do the whole video and find out that I've been off camera for the whole thing. Okay, so this resistor R0 will be kind of difficult now because I've got blobs on both pads. So I could have thought about that. Again, this was poorly planned. And normally, I could have picked one of my CPLD boards might have been a better choice, because they've got, like, more normal arrangement of parts. Oops. Come back, your LED. Yeah, don't sneeze when working with surface mount parts. Okay, so I'm not going to solder that bad, because otherwise I'll be sorry. Okay, so negative. Okay, this is my right here. So positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative. Okay, good. Good. I'm doing okay. I got everybody the right way around. Like, cathodes go up for that one. You know, if the green stripe turns out to be on the anode, I'm going to be really annoyed. It'll still work, but it won't be as planned. Is that straight? Is that right? Maybe. I could be a little better. Maybe I should use 0402 LEDs when I do this. That would be painful. That's standing blob is what I want. And I don't use a sponge to clean my iron, because it takes the tinning off. Just not what I want. I want to leave the iron tinned, even if it is a little bit mucky sometimes. In there. Now, I'm not the first person. I thought I was, but I'm not the first person to make a micro 7-segment like this. I forgot the Twitter handle. Avatar's a mouse. Can't remember the name, I'm sorry. Okay, so that should be the final blob. Like that. I think those will all connect. I'll get a meter. Where did I put my meter? Oh, I've done something with my meter. Okay, make up some probes quick. Let's see here. Come on, Rube. Hurry up. Give me a minute. Blue, purple, I'm off 5 volts, so that should be fine. Okay, testing, right, testing you, good, okay, and then, where am I sitting here? Positive, negative, like that, positive, negative, like this, okay, good, positive, negative, oh, I could, yeah, that's good enough voltage to do that, good. So I can test some other ones. That's cool. Yeah, short the probes out. Okay, so I think that's all segments working. So I can stick some AVR code together and make it a 7. So there we have a 7-segment surface mounted 0805. Using normal soldering iron, and this particular solder is 0.6 millimeter diameter solder. So there we go.